Look, I'm learning the lyrics to Buwan. Oh? Huh? Okay, looking forward, Lydia. Thank you. She's buttering me with her singing. I'll have you cover out soon. Abangan ko yan. Ay, ano pa sa English mo? Abangan ko yan. I'll look forward to it. Kala ko, antayin kita sa gate. Di ba ganun? Next. Coming soon. Huh? Pichu. Pichu, Pichu. Pichu, Pichu. Pichu. Pichu, Pichu. Ganyan na, no? Ganyan na. Gusto mong... Ano? Yun yung sinasabi mo pag nandiyan yung idol mo. Kaya pwede ba, Pichu? Ay, Mama Serena. Next. Hello, familiar ka po? Ano ba yung naglaro sa Family Feud? Yeah! Pero hindi po ako yung naglaro. But, sumayaw po kami dun. Kami dalawa na LA yung hindi kasali kasi 4 na po yung need na players. Sino to? Picture ba yun? Kala ko Pichu. What Pokemon is that? Who's this? This is... Munchlax. Kala ko Snorlax. Kasi pag yung malaki, Snorlax. Pag maliit, Snorlax. I think we're good now. Next. You think it's over? No, it's not. We have 54 more. Oh, Ninetales. Alolan Ninetales. Is it Alolan? It's not. Is it a girl or a boy? Male, female? No, I'm just kidding, Ethan. Lucario! Lucario. I was about to say we would be here all night. Let me think about it. I'm sure na... Ruko, trade tayo. Oh? Snorlax na lang kulang. May Snorlax ka. Vulpix. Dalawa Pichu mo. Need ko lang ng isang Pichu eh. You seem like a huge K-pop stan. I used to cover K-pop dances. I think so. Pichu. Vulpix. Rookies. I just got a BL movie or series if you have watched some. Is it a BL? Yung Leon Tame. I'm not sure if it's a BL or not. Me and Lydia are cover duo. Whoa! Oh, sample. Here in the Philippines, when we say, when we chant like sample, should like dance or sing. Next, this is Lucario. This is baby Lucario. Riolu. How many did you get? All of them. But missing. One. Snorlax. But instead of getting them 8, we have 11. I'm not sure. Yeah. It's like a Happy Meal from Jollibee. It's one of the most famous fast food brand here in the Philippines. Yeah, we love Jollibee. Not sponsored. Jollibee. Oh, may kulay. Si Goldilocks. Yeah, you should try it. My favorite order is balabok and spicy chicken joy. Yeah, it is staple. It's my staple order. We have some in America, but not where I live. Oh, you should try it if you can. Actually, I'm curious about adobo rice because we don't have here in the Philippines. Though adobo is the most famous dish, one of the most famous dish here in the Philippines. But we don't have adobo rice in the Jollibee. Do you remember when I performed in Tiwala? Yes. Great people. Dito mawawala sa live ko. Or kung maubusan. 2 tea bags of green tea. What was your favorite Pokemon you got today? Psyduck. Sumilip si Rena. Wow! Tumalon siya. Say hi. Hello. 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 This is Rena. R-E-N-A. Yeah. Rena. I'm Ruko and this is Rena. Everybody say Rena. Rena. Yeah. Sometimes I accidentally call it Scatterbo. Oh? Do we have the same name? Raku! Oh! Okay. Raku. Yeah, it's so similar. Oh! Ow! No violence. She likes, or he likes violence. This is Rena's love language. No biting. So funny when Eden says Ruko. Maybe you can name your cat Ruko. Rename it. Joke. I'm just kidding. Kaya nagigigil si Rena. Ano ba yung gusto mo nagigigil? Napahirapan tayo, no? Nagigigil si Rena. Did you eat today? Yeah. I love salmon so much. He's Ruko now. Yeah, so good. It tastes like the ocean. Last ocean. Last Toothless. Yes po. This is Toothless. This is from Universal Studio Singapore. When we went there. The ocean. It tastes good. Tastes like Philippine Sea. Yeah, see you sa Jensen. Again. Manila Bay. Wait, Ruko. Pwede. Libre akong ticket. Joke lang. Hindi, soon. Siguro pag when it's time. When it's time. Oh, what? We kinda look like? Kinda look alike? Let me see. Wow. Actually, after the performance that we had during our main Vibe performance, marami na akong nakitang new people posting 6 cents. So, oh! Ingay ni Rena, no? Rena! Dito. Jump. Jump. Hello, all the people. Yeah, make out this. Thank you po. Alam nyo, Mas malakas pa yung boses ni Rena sa alarm clock. Oo. Di ako makabangon sa alarm ko. Pero sa boses ni Rena, that means, gutom na ako. Yan lang yung sinasabi niya. We're speaking cat now. Yeah. But, if may, mga visitors dito, di siya nag-ingay. Nagtatago lang siya sa basket. Ayun na nga, umakit na nga siya. Dito. Ay! Come. No. Wait. Oh. Si Atty. Mia. Miss ka doon na Atty. Mia. Hey, Mom, Atty. Mia. Store Honda? Oh. That's interesting, Lydia. Looking forward. No bite. Okay, bite. Huh? What? Oh! Hello po, Miss Tonia. Nakikita ko po yung mga covers niyo. I'm a low-key fan, Miss Tonia. Baka naman po, pa-cover ng buwan namin. May bago po kaming release na song. It's our anniversary song for our fan Six Sense.
Abo naman, nakasalakas na ano. Mom.
Ano pwedeng tama natin today? Ano nga yung drawing? Hindi. Boring yung drawing. Oh! You should do that. Rap song? Ang ganda mga songs niyo. Thank you po, Miss Josa. Oh, Pasinaya. Temptation? Lagi natatapat sa morning class mo. Actually, di po namin first time magpasinaya. Nagpasinaya po kami last year. Or, dapat? Last year. And sobrang daming nangyari. Wanna hear the story? No. Pwede ba yun? Maybe pwede, but not the details na. Yeah. It's not my story to tell. But I can tell my story. So, during our first ever Pasinaya, isispill ko na yung tea. So, ayun na. Nag-perform kami. After namin mag-perform, ilang performance? Dalawa lang na. Isang namumula by Maki. Isang namin. Yeah. Parang ano lang yun abrupt decision na mag-cover ng namumula. Kasi parang kulang yung isang performance na amin. And amin pa lang meron kami nun. So, yun, nag-practice kami ng namumula. Within a week. Yeah, di abot na isang week ng practice. So, practice ng singing, distribution, choreography. So, wait, na-distract ako. Is tea popular in the Philippines? I feel like so many people drinking it over there. I'm not sure about that, but I'm a green tea enjoyer. So, saan na tayo? After ng performance namin, from stage, pagbalik namin ng tent, mga around 8 a.m. Yes, Ryan. Mga around 8 a.m. Diba? 8 a.m. yun, no? Oo, 8 a.m. Nawala yung earpods ko. Like, pinasok ko na siya sa bag. So, andun yung mga bags namin. And then, so, hindi ako nagpanic. But, nasad muna ako. Pagsad ko, sinik ko yung phone. Siyempre, connected yung earbuds and then yung phone. So, ayun. Parang nalolocate siya through Find My. Yun. And then, located lang siya sa front, sa tawid lang ng CCP. So, sa tawid lang siya ng stage. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, tataknan ko ba ito? So, parang hinayaan na lang yun. And nilat na lang yung security na network. Bro, ikaw engineering ka? Hindi, design lang talaga ito. Di po, roommate. Engineer siya, so marami nakadikit dito. Marami nakasulat sa mirror, mga formulas. Yun, minsan nga pag-gising ko, ako ba nagsulat nito? So, sabi nga ako, ayun, nawala na ako ng earpods that day. So, sana may pang mabagay na nangyari nun. Hindi namin yung makakalimutan. Kaya, sa next pasinayan namin, magdodoble ingat na kami. I'm very grateful na na-invite kami ulit na mag-perform. Siyempre, pasinayan, CCP, Cultural Center of the Philippines. Nasabi ko na ata. What sixth sense dance should I learn? Buwan. You should check it out. Joke. Yeah, kasi pogi mo sa register. Whoa! Thank you. Mas pogi yun eh. Panggang Art Festival siya. Yeah. Gusto ko nga mag-ikot-ikot. Oh. Yeah. There's a Buwan Dance Challenge made by Our Essence. And I guess Ang Essence ang bahala si Lydia. Tama ba, Essence? Tuturuan ka nila. They will teach you how to do it. Oh? Oh? Yeah, I think we passed by. Ay, no, yeah. Yeah, nagkape po kami. Oh, anong coffee shop ba yun? Ayun, pinagagawa na sa Lydia. Kayo ha? That's right, that's right. Do people know Lydia? Yeah. And you, Eden, also. They know you. I think... Ay. Yeah. You know what's beautiful about Essence? Once oh my goodness, the English. Jeez, wait lang. Ako yata sa malapit sa stairs if tama ko. No. Walang stairs dito. Elevator lang. Nandun sa na yun. Yeah, I got this. When you start supporting Sixth Sense, the Essence will also love you. Like, they love each other so much. As much as they love Sixth Sense. No! It's okay. My light. My light. My source of light. It's gone now. Joke lang. Rena. Rena. Takot ka. Rena. My source of light. Like, oh man. Pasabi kay Rena. Kinawa si Rena. So, let's talk about what's that? Oh. Hello. Nag-i-improve na English. Uy! Inaano ko ni Rena, oh. Rox, ano favorite lyrics mo sa buwan? Oh, since out na siya, pwede na ako magsalita about it, di ba? Sa lyrics. Ang favorite lyrics ko sa buwan ay syempre yung part ko. yung bridge. Like, bridge. Favorite ko sa kalimutan. Wait, let me check it out. Okay, streaming. Yeah, this. Ayun. Sa dilim ng mundo, ako yung nakita. Di man kita ng mata, madarama. Oh. Oh. Okay. Good to know, Eden. I'm kind of understanding. Yeah, we're the same. I'm a very understanding person. Yeah, I understand mostly any kind of dialect here, but I can speak the dialect, you know, like boba tea, gnarly, Tesla, gnarly, fried chicken. About sa lyrics na yun, sa dilim ng mundo ako yung nakita, di man kita ng mata-mata. It's so poetic. Roll coconut nar. It's so poetic. Like, Tagalog yung nagtanong, so, magtatagalog lang siya. Kalit-kalit mo na siya gnarly. Alam mo yung gnarly? Pwede yan. Since unti lang tayo nakakaintindi dito. let me share about ako i-share about sa gnarly. So na may friend na na taga Davao. Tapos Bisaya po. So nag-visit siya there. So we roam around. Tapos balik na siya there. So balik. Tingala ko, na siya. Kadali-dali na siya ba? So sabi ko, parang sabi namin, ay, wala mo na, huwag naman ka, dali-dali ka. So, sabi, anong gusto na ako mag-gnarly? so, Ang sa gnarly? Ano, gnarly bang? so, sabi, ayun. So, sa atin lang yan, nakakaintindi. Diba, it's so nice to know different dialects or languages. Shout out sa'yo. Aray mo. Oh, really? Actually, I'm still trying to hone my English. I'm bad at speaking, but I'm kind of good at writing. Oh, thank you, Kylie, for following us. Oh? As an English major student, I think I'm good. Thank you. Wait, si Ma. Yeah, Ruko and black hair. I'm back. And I don't want to go back. Oh, hello po, Arrow. May Arrow pala dito eh. Arrow ko, hello. Hello, Boss Kim. Boss Kim dito si Boss Kim. Oh. Look at this black hair. Thank you, Lydia. Actually, having a blonde hair is so hard to maintain. Like when it's wet, you should get it dry Tara, samgyup. Tara, let's go. Off ko na to, ah. Joke. Yeah. And bleach hair. Yeah. But I love having light hair color. But kapoy kayo. It means it's so tiring. Kapoy kayo magka-blonde hair. Pero it's a nice experience. Oh, hello, Hexagon editors. Did you get that plush from the movie? No. We got it. Yeah. Like this. Oh, it's mirrored. Universal Studios Singapore. Actually, I also have a hat that looks like Toothless. Yeah, this. But I don't know when or where to wear this. So, yeah. Maybe this one. I don't know how to wear this properly. This one. What representative animal are you? I'm thinking about duck, but many essence are saying like I should be cat, a black cat. Well, I'm not complaining, but I'm thinking about duck. I think duck. Doesn't suit. Oh? Okay. Cat duck. Di ba nilaris tingnan? Ni-imagine ko yung cat duck. I see a duck. See a duck. Okay. Oh, dami mag-gift ni Ron, no? Thank you, Ram. The cat. The cat? Okay. Whatever it is. You made me laugh. Okay. Thank you, Eden. Actually, pabot na naman ng duck. Sabihin ko ba story niyan? It's so interesting. You should listen. This thing. Yeah. This thing is. Yeah. In English. Okay. Bear with me. This Oh, you're not at work. Okay. Bear with me. Okay, listen. This thing. At the sound. This. During the Manifesto concert of Enhypen, day 2. Huh? Wait. When the fans threw stuffed toys, it reaches it. Oh my goodness. Nikki picked the duck and threw it back to the crowd. So Nikki, pick it up. Pick it up. And then threw it back. And then Nikki held it for a second. And then threw it back. Threw it back. Yeah. And then Ate Sam got it and gave it to me. Yeah. So, 50 MB na. At least tayo 2 MB na. I saw it happen during the Manifesto tour. Ooh. Di ko sila nakita. Eden! I saw them in Fate and Walk the Line. This is defended. Thank you. No, di ako 3/3. 2/3. Tama. 2/3. 2/5. 2/5. Yeah. Oy! Basta man, bye. Naman din dito si Pina Chill. Idol. Bisaya po na siya. Bisaya po na si from CDO. Tama ba? You know, talking about CDO, we're supposed to perform there last year, but it didn't push through because of some things happened. Hopefully soon. Looking forward, CDO. I'll do that. Please don't. Cosplay mo yung Final Fantasy na guy? Is it a question? Yeah. No, I'm not cosplaying. I mean, I wanna do cosplay, but di pa ako nagka-cosplay. If you're asking me if kina-cosplay ko siya ngayon, di ko alam yung itsura. Mabalik tag dyan sa Rockstar, ah. Ha? Oo, pastel ta. Instead of... Kaya siro ko lang. First impression ko talaga sa cosplay ka. Actually, marami na ako na-encounter na mga people, different walks of life. Wow! Ano, Big TMB pa ba? Ay, sorry. Ano ba nun? Does green tea have caffeine? Yeah, it has. Hindi ko na-remember yun. Like for example, nung The Boys concert, sa hotel, so we checked in sa isang hotel para mas malapit na lang kami sa area. So, merong guy na pumasa. Parang lilinis. So, sabi, tinanong ba ko directly? Ha? Oh. So, tinignan niya ako ng matagal tapos sabi, parang, paano ba? Pa-English niya ba sinabi? Ano? Japanese ka, sir? Parang, sabi ko, opo. Joke lang. Hindi. Sabi ko, hindi pa. So, marami ng people na nakaka-appreciate. Like, I look like an anime character or shout out. Ooh! Shout out to Puss PH. Muni-muni. Kayo nagmuni-muni si Jensen with me. Konnichiwa siya. No, I'm not konnichiwa. I'm onigiri. Oh? It's 10 a.m. There. Good morning. So, ayun nga. Iniisip ko pa kung paano mag-start ng pag-cosplay. Kasi sobrang mahal mag-cosplay. Sobrang. Oh, you have work at 11 a.m. And you're still here. I appreciate that. Diba? Separate pang wigs and costumes and makeup, syempre. I'm still getting ready. Oh, okay. Look, Coscon, guys. Oh, what if? Pero sino nga iko-cosplay ko if ever? Do you have any suggestions? Actually, iniisip ko, what if matagal din ako nagsimula mag-cosplay na? Siguro kilala na ako ng mga events. And pag ganun, na 6 months na ako, pwede na-i-invite ako sa mga events. Kaso wala pala akong pera dati. And para mag-start ng cosplay. Yeah, actually, talking about cosplay, naging plan B ko siya na i-pursue. Yeah. Like, gusto ko mag-cosplay. Hindi dahil sa marami nang nagsasabi. Gusto ko mag-cosplay kasi napaka-interesting kaya na ano. Parang pag naka-costume ka or like may ibang persona kang sinushow, edi pwedeng hindi ikaw yun. So fun. Nasaan dyan? I have a math test. I might fail. No, don't let yourself fail. You can do it. Okay, let's practice, Eden. If an apple if an apple if this apple okay, next question. Okay, next question. Punta naman tayo sa ESP. Edukasyon sa pagpapakatao. Pag sinabi ng nanay mo na magluto ka kasi nagugutom siya, pero ikaw di ka gutom, anong gagawin mo? Tama, magluto ka. Perfect. Kaya naman pala yung math eh. Nice, okay. Okay, you can do it, Eden. Oh, it's a surprise test. You can do it. Hindi mo lang alam sabihin eh. You can do it nang kaya mong sabihin eh. Huh? Si ko. Sorry. Kakatapos lang pala nila mag-study. Ayan, yan yung gusto ko. Yung mga nakatapos na mag-study. Hindi na need turuan. Perfect. Now, punta naman tayo sa pag-strain. Tara, strain tayo, guys. Alam niyo, sobrang dami ng... Ay, hindi naman sobrang dami, but... It's a milestone na dumami yung playlist na napuntahan ng pag-release ng song. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ang equation lang na alam ko ay 143 equals I is less than 3U. Oh, kala mo di ko na lang basahin eh. Deserve. Oh, thank you po. Thank you. Two more playlist. Alam niyo ba na ang favorite kong subject ay science? Wala lang, share ko lang. Dati. Dagdagan pa natin yun. Let's go! Sino to? Ay, tapat naman siya. Sino yun? Magaling ka ba sa color theory, Rookie? Ibang branches. Pero hindi siguro masyado. But I love color theory. Like, if you want to cancel out yellow, add purple. Mga simple color theory. Kinda look like Conan. Uy, bias ko yun eh. That's my bias. And my bias wrecker is... What's the name of that guy? Who are you? Alam niyo, Cortis. So yun. Yeah. Puma? Yung duck na Puma? Oh. Okay. Hello, yan. Oh. Shout out Camille. It's a miracle. Sorry to players. So, hello. Rookie, di mo pa sinagot ng mga, what is it? There must be another way. Ay, Kuya Rugo, Chin. Oo nga, no. Manda na naman yung midnight yun. Alam niyo, kanina, so, diba, pumunta ako sa, kami nanadaan na Dominate sa cinema, the movie. Di ka na-expect na naiiyak pa rin ako. Parang nasa concert talaga ako. Pero, alam mo yun, if ever ako lang mag-isa doon, parang baliw talaga doon. Hindi ko pipigilan sarili ko na kulang. So, syempre may ibang tao din. Tapos, just like room ko, parang baliw. You look like you're 21 years old. I'm 19 degrees Celsius. Hello, Nicole Bautista. So now, okay, quiz start now. Oh, good luck, Eden. Ay, lamig pala. Rico, you're 19 degrees. Yeah, I'm 19 degrees Celsius. Oh, maybe sometimes I'm Fahrenheit. Know that. I can be anything. What do you want? Dance video soon. Oh, actually, thinking about releasing some of my dances, like my dances. Maybe soon, someday. Hanggang pupunta ako sa 20. See you. Tapos kanina, gusto ko rin sana mag-cover ng break it. Ano yun? Because don't cry. Rico, Tagalog please. Ay, thank you, Nana J. Ay, thank you, may nag-request na talaga ng Tagalog. Oh, may campus tour sa school nyo. So, nasali kami. Isang school ba yan? Actually, gusto makapag-perform sa isang campus tour sa Adamson. But sadly, hindi kami gusto dito ng lineup. Kaya sa CCP yung next na. Tarlac? Oo, sa Tarlac. Ay, Tarlac. Wala kaming Tarlac. Or baka pwedeng madagdag. Joke lang. Wala bang malapit lang sa'yo, no? Actually, di ko masyadong kabisadong lugar dito. Sana meron. Oh, see you sa 20, guys. Let's have fun. And maybe let's look forward for surprises. What kind of surprises? Let's see. Let's unfold it. Favorite Enhypen song of all time? Moonstruck. And Shout. And shout out. Because don't cry. Yeah, also Fatal Trouble. I wish I could do that. I wish. Yeah, actually, lahat magaganda. Yeah, Yearner song. I love Yearner songs. Sample. Turuan niyo ako. Siya sa 20, turuan niyo ako mag-Fatal Trouble din. Video ako. Ikaw medyo late nang mag-Fatal Trouble. Siguro, pag may concert na ulit yung... Buti na lang, wala pa silang concert. Oh, Feb 14. Doon yun sa inyo. Wala akong schedule for Feb 14. Campus tour. Sana nareklamo mo. Sana sinabi mo doon. Ba't wala 6 cents po? Sali nyo 6 cents. Ganun. Ayun guys, panood guys gusto nyo kaming ma-invite. Siyempre, nire-request na yan. Comment kayo. Sana may 6 cents. Ganun. Sana nireklamo. Walang swela ulit. Let's see. Oo, ganun na po kasi talaga eh. Like, paingayan na eh. Siyempre, mag-i-invite ba sila pag hindi nire-request or like hinahanap ng tao? So, invite talaga nila yung hinahanap. So, baka di kami masyadong hinahanap sa school niyo. Yeah, sana you be fair. Oh, we're already back, Eden. Iyak na ako. Oh, it was a good quiz. Ooh, congratulations. Are the other members with you? No, I'm on vacation. Joke lang. Hindi pa. Ha? Nakabuts na kami. See you sa Sunday, Joanna. No, wala po tayong vacation ngayon. Sobrang away sa busy. Huwag tayo walk to line sa cinema. Let's go! Fuck! Tanan! Ay! Tanan! Seriously. Baka kasi umulan. Oo nga. Pinalaman nga ako yun na may naka-stiletto or naka-heels daw dun. Essence dun. Umulan. Kawawa siya masyado. Hey. Naka-white shoes. So, alam niyo na sa IMAX ako nanood ng Dominate. Huwag pala. Naging brown na pag Roku the dot. Hoy! Bad yan, bad. Pumasok kayo. So, ang gawin niyo na lang, instead of mag-absent kayo, mag-request kayo na invite kami dyan. Para lahat tayo masaya. Well, kahit ano namang lineup, let's support P-pop. Kasi domino effect lang din nga eh. When you support other P-pop groups, it feels like sinusuportahan niyo din yung mga gusto niyo ng P-pop. P-pop rice. P-pop sulong. Sulong mga kapatid. Oh, you're going to see K-pop group? What group is that? My first time. Oh, wonders. Dadasal ka talaga. Feels you din. Prayers. Prayers to magic. Oh, universe. It's interesting. Enjoy. Kakaingit line of Cuba School. So, kung pumunta sa lahat ng schools eh. Kasi di kami nare-request ng lahat ng school. Actually, ang dami ng magandang songs ng P-pop ngayon. Sobrang dami. Nakaka-overwhelm. Yeah. Actually, isa sa mga reason but gusto ko mag-perform din sa Adamson kasi ito, video nito. Galing to sa roommate sa taga-Adamson. So, diba? Taga-Adamson sa tapos di kami magpo-perform lang. The snow is finally melting after a few days of super cold weather. Oh, it's cold. Oh, yeah. This or duck, you can only pick one duck. I love ducks. Actually, this toothless. Nakukitan lang ako. I'm Light Fury enjoyer. Hindi kasi available yung Light Fury. I love Six Sense Club with Aja. Yes, please. What? Negative 1.6 degrees Celsius? It's so cold. Here it's only 19 degrees Celsius. Coming from air condition. That's warm. What? I'm freezing. Pero kung nasa freezer niyan, super away. Roku, aircon yun eh. Ay, aircon pala yun. Parang karne naman kayo dyan. Mas malamig pa ka sa freezer. Grabe. Kaya sulfur. Parang hotdog niya. What's your favorite country to travel to? What's my favorite country to travel? Maybe I want to go to Japan because I'm interested about going to Studio Ghibli city, something place, theme park. Yeah, and I also want to try authentic ramen and curry and mochi and Japanese matcha. Yeah, it's good. Chicken curry pa lang afford ko. Same. Actually, curry powder lang. I love mochi, so good. I only tried the ice cream one. Like, yung nabibili sa sa mga tindahan, yung mochi na ice cream. Hindi para pakainin ng curry powder. Well, sarap. Yeah, tiramisu. Alam niyo, anong tawag sa tiramisu pag pag maraming kumain? Walang tiramisu. Okay. Anong tawag? Ay, hindi. Anong sabi ng tiramisu nung sadya? Like, tinanong ko ng tiramisu, ba't sad ka? Anong sabi niya? Kasi, tiramisu. When did you start this life? 11 p.m. Around 11:06 or something. Ay, tiramisu din po. Oo, Sunday naman ngayon eh. Hanggang 3 a.m. tayo. Sunday naman eh. Kailangan namang pasok bukas. Oo, Sunday. Hindi ba Sunday? Okay, di tayo 3 a.m. Dali na naman ako kausap eh. Di pala Sunday ngayon. Sige. Ligoy-ligoy. What food condition would you recommend? Oh, I would recommend you to try Jollibee chicken joy. No, you should try my favorite. It's my favorite. Actually, I love everything. But I think sinigang gang or adobabo. Yeah, you should try Bicol Express. Paborito namin yung dalawa ni Kai. Alam niyo, story time. Kanina may casting kami. Yeah. No other informations. No more information. So yun, na-spill ko na eh. May casting kami. And then, may food dun. So since naka 1 meal a day ako, ang food ko, ang kakain ako, evening na. So, bill ko ay dinner. So kanina, hindi pa dinner. So yung food ko, pinagatian nila Kai and LA. Kasi, Bicol Express, favorite ni Kai. Pero ang unang nag-ask si LA, sabi niya, Rookie, kakain ka ba naman? Hindi, later pa ako dinner. Okay, sa akin na lang. Tapos si Kai parang, hindi kakain si Rubo? Di tayo. So, nag-request si Kai na maghati sila ng Bicol Express. Ganun siya ka-addict sa Bicol Express. Actually, if di ko lang pinipigilan yung sarili ko, may pigilan ko pa. Yeah, tinola. You should try tinola. It's so good. Like, tastes like home. When you're exhausted or like so tired coming from work, it's so best to have a warm soup. Tinola. Yeah. Kung mag-unliwings kayo, make sure na tinola flavor. So lang. Delicious pa. Creamy! Healthy rin sa tummy. Okay. Oh, thank you, Lydia, for saying. Have a good one. Take care. Nawala ako bigla sa branding. Sorry. Talking about branding. Bada ako, no? Oh, thoughts on adobo? I think adobo is a dish that balances most of the taste. Like, you need salt, vinegar, and sugar. Yeah, that's how I make adobo. I balances the salt, the vinegar, and the sugar. Oh, no. I mean toyo. Yeah. Oh, you can also use salt if you want it. The dry version. No. The adobong puti. Am I right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Even cheese. Cheese. That's one of my favorite cheese. There is a dish that my mom makes. So homey. Like, she scramble the egg, and then fry it, put the cheese on top, and then fold it. Oh, this is the cheese. Eden. Yeah, I love this. Right saltiness, and right. Yeah. Yeah, you should try eating cheese. Not sponsored. And then, actually, huh? Nilalagyan mo ba ng papaya tinola mo? Oo, yung hilaw na papaya. Yeah. It tastes so good. Ay! Sayote ba yun? Pwede yung dalawa. Na-remember ko yun eh. Sayote or papaya? Sayote. Ay. Wala naman ako sa branding. Oh, pero alam mo, yung pinaka-hate ko. I mean, hindi naman sa pinaka-hate, but I hate radish. I don't know what about it. Maybe yung aroma niya once namumunch na siya ng teeth. Yeah, radish. But I like radish cake. I like radish cake. I don't like radish. Carrot cake. Yeah, I also love carrot cake. I used to eat carrot salad. Yeah. Nung nasa Jensen pa ako, I paired it with tea. Balot? Yeah, balot. Talking about balot. Alam niyo ba na batang duck. Ano siya? Duck egg. And I love ducks. And it's a duck egg. So, hindi ko pa alam na duck egg siya. Sobrang saya kong kumain ng balot. Kaya ko siyang kainin ng buo. Doon yung sisiyo, doon yung yolk, doon yung white. Kahit matigas pa yung white, ha? Makain ko. buo. But, pero masarap siya. Don't get me wrong. Pero, nung nalaman ko na duck egg siya. So, yung sisiw, duck pala. Since then, di na ako kumakain ng sisiw. Ng balat. Pero medyo na-miss ko yung lasa. Do you like rice cakes? Yeah, I like rice cakes, but since it is made out of carbohydrates, yeah, medyo iniiwasan ko siya. Kasi umiiwas ako sa carbs. And sweet. Kahit na sweet tooth ako. Sad. Alam nyo, after nung main vibe, umuwi ako, kumain ako ng maraming chocolate. Dark and white chocolate. I love dark chocolate and white chocolate. Masarap siyang pagsabay. Like, yung bitter and then yung sweet. Yung kind ng sweet na binibigay ng white chocolate. The balance is 6-7. Yeah, white chocolate and dark chocolate. Matcha bar, masarap. Go. Matcha bar. Patay na ba ako? Peanut butter on rice cakes. Oh, peanut butter and banana. It's a good combination. Yeah. And pistachio canaf. Oh, ano ba yung pronounce? Canafe? Canafe? Canaf? No, nakatry na pala ako. Peanut butter and apples. Saan pa siya natry? But I don't like fruits and salt. I don't like fruits and salt. I like fruits, just fruits, not fruits and then salt. No. Wala lang. Peanut butter, banana, honey sandwich. Try to go. Okay, I like honey, I like banana, I like peanut butter. I think it's a good match. Yeah. Peanut butter and cheese? It's interesting. Honey tea. Strawberry on my chocolate. Strawberry on my chocolate. Yeah, good. I have to go as well now, but me and Video will do a one dance cover together soon. Or muni. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Eden Cheese. Not sponsored. Yeah, I look out of it. I look out for it. No, thank you, Eden, for your time. See you soon. Take care. Bye. Masarap pang neon balls. Neon balls. Yeah, I love neon balls. So you know neon balls? Orange neon balls? Like, there's also sweet sauce, sweet and spicy sauce paired with neon balls. Yeah, the quick. So good. Yeah, sinigang na watermelon. Ay, sinigang and watermelon sinigang. It's so good. At first, I thought it was tomato. And nung nalaman ko na watermelon siya, nawilito na ako. Pero nakarami na ako ng kain. Sarap siya. Masarap. Saan ko nga natin? Manam. Yeah, it's so good. And also, papaya and, am I right? Papaya and pepper? I like weird food, but not too weird food. I also like chowder. Yung una kong try ng chowder sa, ano pa yun eh? Sa, ano nga yan? Pizza. Chowder. Basta, somewhere. And nagustuhan ko yung chowder. I like ketchup. Mint choco? Okay lang naman. Pero hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Cookie and raisin. Okay lang. Mint choco ice cream. Okay naman siya. Pero maybe matututunan ko siyang mahalin. May pinatikim sa akin si Kay. Nagustuhan ko yung dark chocolate and pistachio na ice cream. Sabi ko pa, ayoko yan. Sa pagsubok, isa pa. Local. Local ba, manang? Sumawa ako nakatry. Ako may allergic ako sa shrimp. But, may baon akong cetirizine sa bag. Lalo na yung nag-travel kami sa Singapore and KL. Kasi puro dun, seafood, shellfish. And I'm not complaining. Lalo na always buko juice. Masarap buko juice. Yeah, cetirizine is the key. Favorite color ko? Lahat ng spectrum ng neutral colors. Gray, black, white. This, neutral color ko. Yeah. No. I'm not a fan of orange. But, okay lang. Brooks, anong kasunod ng Mars? Pautang. Kala mo, no? Who is the cutest in Six Sense? Kep G. Parang, kunwari, ay, seriously, ano, ay, si Cutie, tama, si Cutie. Actually, yung naalala ko talaga sa ano, sa cute, si Hunter. Kasi gumagano siya randomly sa, ang cute. Ganun talaga yung reaction. Diba? Kunwari, so, ano, sa harap nyo ganun pa. Yo, it's Hunter. Ganun. Pero sa amin, oh, my cute. Bro. Shh lang sa atin na to. Minsan bagay naman sa kanya. Madalas nakakainis. Yoko niyan. Alam niyo, yung meron kami isang dance video ng, performance video, practice performance video ng namin, and then hindi kami nakapaganda nun. So, walang makeup, bare face. Hindi yung nakahanda. So, in-upload sa YouTube. Hanapin nyo na lang, di ko nibibigay, pero pwede nyo hanapin. And then may dun. Tama ba? Yun ba ang video na yan? May ending fairy. Sana din yung mahanap. Wala kayo dyan, kayo yung magre-request na huwag niyo lang ako sumbong Tinigyan ko kayo ng idea, pero gusto niyo ng isa pang idea, huwag niyo ako sumbong. No. Ayoko na. Not that one, Joanna. Oh, from my last life. Wow! Oh, totoo po. Hello po. Yeah, it's so good. It's so fun. Nag-perform po kami dun sa Bellevue. Na-enjoy ko yung kakanin. Kakanin enjoyer din ako Sobrang yung Asian ko, no? Na-enjoy ko yung mga Asian food talaga. Sarap. No, egyo. Shave kakanin. Dami. Ano nga tawag dun sa jelly na brown? Parang jelly na brown. Uy, kutsinta. Yeah, kutsinta. No egg. No egg, please. And puto bumbong. Puto bumbong. The classic one. Like, okay na ako sa plain. And masarap din yung puto. Masarap puto. Opo, masarap puto. Oh? Yema, tsaka Tatson mga Blanca. Yung kakanin na hindi kape. Okay, gets ko yun Ooh, salted egg. Puto with salted egg. Hindi ko po siya try. Tsaka bibingka, masarap bibingka. May naalala akong kanta ng Bisaya. Bibingka, pwede mami. So, nakakalam. Yeah. Ano ba? Ano yung puto ko tsintasan? Okay. Mas kaya ko pa yan gawin kasi sa mag-egg yun. Pero tago ako. May practice mo na ako. Ano nga ang taon na yan yung pitch? Ah. Perfect pitch. Dati kasi ako nagtitinda na tawag ng palitaw? Paano yun? Oh, actually, masarap din ng palitaw. Sarap. Yung mama ko yung nag-introduce ko kanya nung elementary. And then, sobrang nagustuhan ko. First addiction ko yung palitaw. Like, every hapon. And then, pinaglalaro ano no. Ikaw nga, sample nga. Anong tupig? Tupig? Dalawang baboy. My eyebrows are so thick. Is it too late now to say sorry? Pag tatlo, tripping na. Hi, a very... Sorry. Sana all pinakain ng palitaw. Ilok. Ay! Uncle jokes to the roof. Okay? Let's end this live. Diyan pa kayo. Diyan. Yung tito Ruko, kilad ko ba si Kiawi? Ay, mali. Mali pala yun, mali. Ay, di ba mali yun rin, ano? Mali. Mali. Kami ako sumbong. Hindi na ako makakalive ulit. Let me see the cat. Gusto ko enough. Bella. Fly. Yan, lumipat siya. This is Rena, the cat. And I am Ruko, the pasikat. Ito siya. Hello. He's clean. Alam niyo pag ano, sobrang pagod ko. Tapos kakarating ko lang dito. Tuwa ko sa rin ako. Kinaganto ko siya. Huwag lang. Huwag ako bait ah. Dito. Yan. Uy, pero ayaw niya ngayon. Next time. Bye-bye. No, bye. Kita niyo yun? Kita niyo yun? Ganun siya. Ganun siya, guys. Kita niyo? Kinalabit to. Ganun siya. Hindi, kahit di siya galit. Ay, no daw, no. Rena, kumakain siya. Matagal yung umonte. May sasabihin sana ako. Kaso ang dami niyo pa eh. Pause ka muna. Pang may day lang. Ay, sige po. Rena X Cloud collab soon. Alam niyo ba, feeling ko crush ni Rena si Cloud. O crush ni Cloud si Rena. Kasi, nung umuwi ako, after... Hindi kita sinusumbong. Baka marinig ni Rena. Ano yun? So galing ako kina Cloud. So, pag-uwi ko dito, ay, hindi ko nga sinusumbong. Yung ano, yung, nakalabit niya ako, guys. Oo nga, hindi na. Hindi ko na daw share. Oo, next time na lang pag wala si Rena. Ah! Yung, ginagalaw niya yung lighting ko. Feeling ko, di na nga isusumbong. Nachika ko na pala. Sige. Tama na guys. 1 na pala. Tulog na ako. Aja and Six Sense collab on song. Why not? Ay. Stop na ako live, Rena. Ay. Sorry. Ang cute nito, no? Bigay lang ito sa akin kanina eh. Ningning post. Alam niyo, ito yung pinaka-favorite kong part sa body ko. Wala lang. Interesting. Ano? Yun lang, paano ba yun itong live na to na maganda? Sobrang nag-enjoy ako ngayon Feeling ko iniisip nila na inaantay mo lang na umunti kami pero may sasabihin ka. Wala nga akong sasabihin. Kaya bye-bye na. Bye-bye, good night. See you sa Walk the Line. Ay, sa ano pala muna. Sa 6 and 7s. Sa school tours. Sa Pasinaya. Sa... Ano pa ba? See you on Sunday. Wow, talaga po. See you on Sunday. Oo nga, wala na nga. Grabe. Bye-bye. Oh, okay. Deal. So, bye-bye. Good night, good night, good night. Ma. Hindi kayo nagbabawas. Stay connected. Let's stay connected on all social media accounts, platforms. 6 Sense Official, 6 in Nasi Official. And just to visit our website, so interesting. 6 Sense Official. www.6senseofficial.com. And then abangan niyo yung mga pasabog. Song na may rap. Soon. Soon. Or song na may rap version. Soon. Bye-bye. Last post. Word of the day. Our word of the day ay... Ano word of the day natin rin na? Ayun. Yun yung word of the day natin. It means... Ay! Kita niyo yun! Kinagat ako. Hindi kita sinusumbong. Sinasabi ko lang anong ginawa mo. Bye-bye. Sabi na rin na bye-bye daw. Oh, rinig yun na.